Imagine your fridge texts you when it's out of milk. We're not far from a world where connected devices don't just talk. They think, adapt, and solve problems for you. But here's the real question. What happens when these devices don't just connect, but start collaborating on their own? That's where Internet of Things 2.0 steps in. Why does IoT 2.0 matter right now? With recent breakthroughs like edge computing and AI-powered sensors, the stakes for businesses and everyday life have never been higher. You already know the basics of IoT: wired thermostats, app-driven lights, security cameras. That was Internet of Things 1.0. Devices connected, but mostly following your commands. They sent data to the cloud and waited for instructions. Useful, but limited. Now, let's talk about how we made the leap. IoT 2.0 is defined by intelligence and autonomy. Devices don't just collect data, they use it to make decisions, often right at the edge, closer to you. Edge computing is the big game changer here. Instead of sending everything up to the cloud, devices process data locally, respond faster, and reduce lag. This matters in everything from self-driving cars to smart factories, where speed isn't just convenient, it's critical. Here's how it works. A sensor in a factory spots a vibration. With IoT 2.0, that sensor analyzes it instantly, triggers maintenance, and avoids downtime, all automatically. No waiting for approval or bandwidth hiccups. And with AI-powered sensors, decisions get smarter, adapting to new patterns, predicting problems before they even happen. These innovations have real-world impact. Picture a hospital with smart pumps that adjust dosages on the fly based on patient data. Or a city grid where traffic lights sync without human intervention, reacting in real time to congestion. That's IoT 2.0, autonomous, agile, and reliable. Security is a huge topic, especially after the recent report on rising threats from connected medical devices. IoT 2.0 is tackling this with smarter encryption and device authentication, giving you peace of mind that your data stays safe even as devices get more independent. What's driving this shift? It's the blend of newer tech like machine learning, 5G, and robust edge chips. These let devices understand context, make decisions, and act together, almost like a digital hive mind. So, why does this matter to you? Because IoT 2.0 makes smart spaces smarter. Homes adapt instantly to your needs. Businesses boost efficiency and security. Cities become safer and more responsive. And with billions of devices coming online, this synergy is only growing. Just last month, developers announced AI-powered sensor networks cutting power consumption by nearly half, proving how IoT 2.0 isn't just futuristic, it's already changing how we live and work. In short, Internet of Things 2.0 turns connected gadgets into collaborative problem solvers, powered by edge computing, AI, and smarter security. The impacts are everywhere, from energy savings to safer healthcare. If you want to keep up with the future of intelligent technology, hit subscribe and check out the next video on how AI is reinventing everyday gadgets. IoT 2.0 is here, and it's just getting started.